guys, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this temperature sensor. Now around the box there isn't that much information. It does come wrapped right around. So it does have this plastic around the box. Let's just open up the box right away and see what's inside. So we've done a setup video already for this. This is another one we got since the other one that we had broke. So we need to get a new one. So here it is. There's not much inside the box. I know this is an unboxing video, but there isn't that much to look at in this video. The setup video is better because that you can see this in action, although it's really fast. I can tell you that this is something that some of you might use, others might not, because this is just to set this up on your wall. If you want to, you don't have to. You can just put this on top of the table and that's it. That's how we have been using it, although this time I might set up on my wall. And as you guys can see, there's nothing more. That's it. That's all you get. It's very simple. That's it. You're looking at everything you get inside the box right now. And the instructions to set up is just this. And it's that easy. You basically go to that, tap on the gear, add Google Nest temperature sensor. And that's about it. And again, some of you might be using this, others won't. But basically, it's going to go here. It's going to snap in like so. And that could hang on your wall. That's only if you want that. If you don't want that, you don't have to. You can take out the battery here whenever you need to change it up. You can go ahead and do that from there. You take this out, and this QR code you will need. Although the QR code is also, once you take this out, it's also on the back. But anyways, this QR code is something that you're going to have to scan. But once you pull this out, you're activating the battery in here as well. But right now, as an unboxing video, we're pretty much done. There's nothing more into this. There's nothing more in the box. Very minimal design. There's no buttons. There's nothing, ports around it, nothing. You literally can open this and see the battery inside, and then that's about it. As an unboxing video, we're pretty much done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.